Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Ann, and if you are not, welcome back. If you are new, we like to do some makeup unboxings. We like anything makeup here, so anything related to makeup you will find on my channel. And I guess that's enough about me, and today we'll be unboxing or unbagging, really, the Ipsy Glam bag for the month of June. So a little bit about Ipsy before we get started. I mean, most of you, probably 99.9% of you know what Ipsy is. It is a monthly beauty makeup subscription. And it does cost $12 a month. They do have, and you get 5 deluxe size samples, and you get a cute little bag. Then they have the Ipsy Plus, which is $25 a month. You get 5 full-size products, which is a really good deal, because that's like $5 a product, plus you're getting a bag. And then they have the Ipsy Ultimate, and it's like $50 a month, 8 full-size products, 4 deluxe size samples, and a big makeup bag. I really love the big makeup bags. They are incredible. It seems like, I don't know, that is my favorite thing about the Ipsy Ultimate. It is $50 a month though, and for the bags, I don't know what I got on this one, but these bags are like really cute, and they're like very handy for me. I pack a big purse so that and them are easy for me to throw in. The medium and the small bags, they work too. But when I want to take a lot with me, I can take one of them bags and throw it in my purse, and I'm good to go. And Ipsy used to send out more like higher end to luxury brands. Now, I'm not going to say that's all. It's exclusive to that. No. I have got Wet n Wild. We do get Pixie in here sometimes, and that is drugstore brands. So, you know, it's not like it used to be. But I have noticed we've always got, like, Pixie, but we never did get, like, Wet n Wild and stuff like that before. But I don't know. I like Wet n Wild. It's a very good makeup brand, but it's one of the cheaper drugstores. Okay, so it comes in a bag like this. Another thing is, Discover Yourself. It's on all the bags. Okay, here is the bag this month. Really cute. All 3 bags will match. So you're like getting, if you get all 3 subscriptions like I do, you will get 3 matching bags. But they are like different colors. And I don't know what I've done with my other bags. I know one was blue, and I want to say the other one was like maybe pink, orange. I don't know. It was something. So here's the bag. It's just got little women on it in swimsuits. And here, it's got a cute little tag that says Ipsy. These bags are made really good quality. Okay. Making waves is the theme this month. And, of course, it doesn't tell us about our products. They quit that. I guess they don't want to do it. And on the outside of my bag is some sheet mask by Hannah Ella. I don't know. Hannah Ella. Okay, so we got a pear, we got a pineapple. I like a good face mask. One's brightening, one's moisturizing. They do have weight on them. They're 23 grams, which is 0.81 flow ounces. So the pineapple is to brighten your face, which I think all my pineapple stuff is to brighten your face. Let me see. Yes, I think pineapple is mostly used to brighten your face. And the pear is for moisturizing. I don't think I've ever really used anything with pear for my face personally. I have used pear body lotion, but nothing like made for my face. So, I will put that in my mask collection. I like a good face mask. Sometimes I'll use them every day. Then sometimes I forget about them. Okay, so we got a brush. I love getting brushes. And this is the Eddie Funkhauser domed blending brush, not for retail. We knew that. But a lot of people does like get Ipsy and then they sell their stuff, so on eBay. Now I don't. I keep everything, as you can tell. I do like this brush. It is a brush that I would use. I really like the way it's made. It's soft, but it's still like dense enough. So I do like that. The color Slick Black. What else can you ask for? As long as it works. I love brushes, so. Okay. Then, by Sir Medic, we got a soothing cream. We're getting 15 milliliters, which is 0.50 flow ounces. And it's clinically tested, non-irritant. That's really good. It's good for 12 months. I don't know if you guys need to know that or not. I do like the color of the package. It's like periwinkle, one of my favorite colors. I love anything purple. I don't know why, but anything purple, it just does it for me. So there it is. It does feel really, really smooth. I like the way it feels. It really don't have no smell to it, which is really good because I really don't like anything with a smell to it. I notice when anything, it'll irritate me and I don't like it. So that's good that it don't got a smell. And if it does have a smell, I like it for it to be right then and then just go away, because anything that's got a smell seems like you're going to smell it all day and it's like going to make you not feel too good. Okay, this is one of my favorite things. And this is Hello Fab. This is by First Aid Beauty. They make some really, really good primers. They make some really good skincare. This is their Pore Be Gone Matte Primer with fig extract. It's oil-free, safe for sensitive skin, and it's just like a really, really good primer. It's been out for a while. They got a few different ones. They do have they have this matte one, then they have the glow one. I actually have had both of them. I like them both. Right here it is. It works wonderful. I am wearing it today. So, it does have like a smell to it. But it's not a smell that lingers or stays or anything like that. But I really, really like it. See where I put it? You can't really see any, like, how your hands got, like, spots. You really can't see it right there. It is a wonderful product. I recommend it. But for my skin, it does work. And, but I will say this. There is stuff that I have heard really, really good things about. And I go try it, and it's a flop for me. And that's just the way it goes. Every skin is different. We all don't work the same. Our skin ain't the same. It takes a lot to get, I don't know. It's not really bad. Like, without no makeup on, you can't really tell. I've got, like, pores right here. But once I put makeup on, if I don't have a good primer, it just goes out the window that you're seeing them all. And it gets really texture and stuff like that. And I have to have a really good primer for that. Okay, so we're already on our last product. Now, this one, I do remember, like, checking my email one day, and it came up that, you know, it was time to pick Ipsy. Most of the time, I don't pick anything. On Boxy Charm, I don't pick anything. I just choose not to and get surprised. But I did pick. I went through on this one. I don't think I did on the Ultimate and the Ipsy Plus. But I remember, and I seen this, and I love Ofra highlighters, so I seen this, and I was like, I got to have that one, because I don't have it. This is the Ofra times Telemar highlighter. It's the Covent Garden, and their highlighters are just like, it's it. It's just like some of the best highlighters. They have such a good formula. They're smooth, they're silky, they're like creamy to the touch, and they're just like, well, they're beautiful. And they never fail me. So it's like, I love these highlighters. Like, look at my nose now. maybe a little too much. Now my nose is like Rudolph's nose, and it's too bright. I will calm that down in a minute. But Ofra highlighters is one of my favorite. They do make some really good lipsticks. But if I had to pick one thing by Ofra, it is their highlighters. They're my favorite. I have a few of them, and I love getting them. And also, this is a full-size product pretty much. So when you're getting this in your simple bag, it is really nice to get a product like this. Every now and then, Ipsy does throw in, like, full-size products with sheet mask, really. You know, we got 2 of them. These are, like, because you go to Walmart, and what is it? They're a couple, $2.50 a sheet mask. $5 other places, $10 a sheet mask. So, you know, or you can get a box for $10. I'd rather do that. But, you know, these are like full size, and this is like full size, and that really makes me happy to get products like this. Okay. So, and this is a full size product, but it probably comes in a series. But a lot of brushes are like $10, $15, $20 a piece. I have noticed with my Morphe brushes. So, you know, when you're buying brushes, that's why I like getting a beauty subscription. You can build your brush setup. I was with Live Glam like for a year, but I don't know. So how many contour brushes do I really need? How many powder brushes do I really need by Morphe? So I haven't been getting Live Glam in a few months, because I just have too many brushes. I get them in all my subscriptions. I buy them myself. So I've quit with Live Glam for right now. I did think about switching to their Lippy, because they do have you get 3 Lippies for the same price like you're getting your brushes, $19.99 a month. Or they do have an eyeshadow one. So I was thinking about trying their lip out. If you guys would like to see that, let me know down in the comments below. I've been trying to figure out now Play is gone, and I've canceled my Live Glam, and so that's like 2 subscriptions gone. So I've been trying to figure out something else to get, and I quit Yes Oh Yes before they went out, and I quit Face Sugar, and they was like the same company, but they was like ripping people off somewhere down the line. So, you know, I quit like all them, and I have been looking. I thought about a few different ones, but if you guys have any ideas, just leave it down in the comments below, and I will. I thought about Slay. I thought about, Tribe. There's a few different ones. Just give me your recommendations down below, and I will check them out. I have been looking for a new one to try since I've got rid of some of them. Okay, so that is it for the Ipsy for this month. You know, this bag ain't really that bad. Love the highlighter. This is like my favorite thing. And I love this brush. I love brushes. If you guys have been with me for a while, you know how much I love my brushes. And you can't beat a good sheet mask. And, you know, this counts as one item, and you get 2. So, you know. And the other 2 products, I was out of mine. Used the last of it this morning. So, this was like fate that I got it again. And I've got it from Ipsy before. That's where I first tried it at. And I still got I got a big tube of the glowing one. But I like the matte one really good. So I am really glad I got another tube of it. And the soothing cream, I'm happy to get it. Because right now my skin, I'm like healing up pretty good. But as you can tell, I've got sunburnt. And I'm working on getting tanned. My face don't look like it because every foundation I put on, I have went and bought a couple new ones, and they're still like too light for me. I've went up like 2 or 3 different shades, and I don't know. I'm picking them out wrong. I'm gonna have to wait and maybe a couple more weeks, and then go back when my skin is ready. Maybe I'll get a little darker because I'm out every day. So hopefully I get a good tan this year. As a redhead, you really don't. Most redheads don't get tans. We burn, and all season will look more red. Couple seasons, I did get like more tan, but if you don't watch what you're doing, you'll just be red all summer long. You got to really like use your sunscreen and all that when you're like redheaded, because our skin's just, I don't know, crazy. But I guess that is it. I will give this bag this month a 5 out of 5. The highlighter done it. It's like made the whole bag and the primer and the brush. And the other 2 products just like extra stuff. So I am really, really happy with that. So I will give it a 5 out of 5 since the Ofra highlighter is a full size. And, you know, that's like way covers the box. And I guess that is it for this month. I hope you guys did enjoy this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And I will see y'all in the next one. Bye for now.